Hello and welcome to Gunnar Weiskamp's Web Development. Today, Lesson 14, C Sharp LINQ Part 5. Today we are looking at the LINQ TOLIST and TOARRAY keywords. If you want to create today's app, just follow the steps outlined here in A and B. We are creating a console app. I'm using Visual Studio 2013, but again, just follow the steps shown here in A and B and you'll be able to make today's app. Okay, so let's go and grab some code. Right, first we're going to grab our class, and here we have our empty console app. Let's grab a little bit more code. Come on, window. Many different ways of doing this, so let's grab that. Okay, now let's close that down. So what have we got here? Let's look at our code. We've got our public class here of employee. Three properties, an ID, a full name and age fields. So here in our main we are creating an array class or class array of employees, and we're putting 4 users within this array, as we can see there. So first of all, we're just doing here a simple LINQ query which will get the information from this object here and put this into a result here, and we're going to print those out on the screen here using this for each loop. So this is going to have all the employees, and it's going to put in one at a time and print their full names out on the screen. Let's just see if that works. Okay. And there we have Jill, Fred, Mary, Tom came out. So that's what we expected. Now just say we've got to change this information. We want to put it into a list object here. So how do we do that? This is where the TOLIST LINQ keyword comes into play. Let's just knock this code out. And let's put this code into play. So we want here a list object to be created of employee in this employee list. So to get this information here out into this list object, we have to use the TOLIST keyword. So now we're obviously doing the same as that, except we're looping through a list object to display the full name. Let's just see if that works. It's doing something. So yeah, the TOLIST keyword, extremely useful to use if you want to change your object that you have here into a list object. Okay, finally coming up, I hope. The machine's a bit slow today. Here we go. So we again got Jill, Fred, Mary and Tom, as we can see there. Cool. Right, so now we have this example of code to have a look at. Again, we've just simply got here a class array full of 4 employees, and here we're again just putting this information into this LINQ object, which in turn comes back into our variable result here. Now at times, sometimes you just want to get all the full names out of this object. You don't need the age, you don't need the employee ID, you just want to get the full names and put it into an array, in this case a string array, because these are all strings. LINQ can do that quite easy for you, which is a good thing. That's what I was getting at, and this is done with this TOARRAY keyword. So all we're doing here is we've got our result keyword here, which is created here. We're selecting all the full names from this object, and then via the TOARRAY, it'll put those objects into our string array here. And then we just loop through our array set here with the for each loop. So if we do build that, we should also get Jill, Fred, Mary and Tom. If you wanted, so let's just, there we go. So obviously if you wanted to use this as, if you wanted to get the age, come on, you'd have to create a int array. So now we'll see 44, 66, 21 and 34. So the TOARRAY can be quite useful, pretty flexible and pretty easy to use. There we go, now we've got the age instead. So, yep. Okay, please subscribe to my channel if you want, or visit my website there as well. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Thank you. Bye.